India has a heritage of handloom weaving that is unique and the largest anywhere in the world. But that is now dying because of a lack of support and policies that are killing the handloom industry that provides employment to the largest number of people in the country after agriculture. Uma Sudhir has this special story.
Beautiful hand-woven saris like this may soon become a thing of the past. That is because cumulative challenges of high yarn price, low wages and little support to handloom has pushed Gen Next out of weaving.
ఇప్పటిదాకా అయితే మేము చేసినాం ఓపికతో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి చేసినాం ఆ పిల్లలు పట్టుకొని పని కూడా చేయరు మొగ్గం కూడా ఈ పని సాల పని మాతోనే బంద్ అయిపోతుంది.
The threat to handlooms comes from power looms and even mills that copy designs and sell cheaper items like these saris, dress material, bed sheets and furnishing that are meant to be produced only by weavers under the Handloom Reservation Act. Enforcement has been very poor.
In the market, the biggest problem they are facing is unfair competition, where power loom products are being sold as handloom products. So the genuine handloom products which are produced with high cost and with subsidized wages, those products they do not move in the market, while their imitations which are produced at a cheaper materials, they move in the market. So all these have become cumulatively a big challenge.
Sri Selam says he and his wife have to work for over 12 hours a day to be able to earn up to 10,000 rupees a month.
మా పిల్లలకు చెప్పాలని మేము అనుకోవట్లేము. ఇక చదివించి మంచిగా వాళ్ళని సడన్గా ఉంచాలి తప్ప ఏ బాధలన్నా చదివిస్తుంది తప్ప ఈ వృత్తిలో మాత్రం ఇక లాస్ట్ ఇదే మాతనే.
Telangana and Andhra Pradesh account for the largest weaver population anywhere in the country at almost 2.5 lakh weavers. This is actually down by almost 50% from about 5 lakh weavers just about 10 years ago. The tragedy is that at a time when the country is talking about skill development as a priority, these skilled artisans are turning into de-skilled manual labor, working as security guards or even chaiwalas in the cities. In Pochampalli with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.